Ciiko cia maabitha borithi kuhuthira hinya mukiruku riria marangithanira na muingi na gucungiriria ikuo ikoretwo ikiyumiria na njira nene guku bururi-ini. Gitumi kiria gitumire kamiti ya IPOA kurio mekinyie mbere ya kamiti ya Senate gie watho gutariria uria makoretwo magika kumurika mateta maya.
Good morning.
Haha muikaririgete wa kamiti no ana makoria kiuga kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe na mieri 3 mamukirite mateta 120 kuma kuri family ngurani magiteta kurwo ni endwa ao kumana na ikinya ria borithi ria kuhuthira hinya mukiruku. Gatagate ka Macira maya 120 110 ni mareketie gutangikirwo 75 mari igoti-ini. Macira 34 mari wabici-ini ya DPP namo Macira 20 mafatie gutemanio wabici-ini no matuko meguka.
We are looking at a situation where we can get it's expensive to equip a forensic lab even if it's a small one. So it's an issue that have been under discussion, and more particularly with development partners within the sector. And we are hoping that in due course that we shall be able to equip that space and have our own capability with in-house.
County ya Nairobi na Mombasa ni mwesha county iri kuragwo ihutetio na njira nene ni njuragano ta ici. Ithabu riri rikionania gukinyeria riu bururi wa Kenya no urekururia ari kung'ethanira na Macira ta maya ona gukinyaniria kihoto kia andu aria family ciao ihutagio ni ndeto eno.
When we listen to witnesses in Mombasa, how they try and interfere these investigations, especially when people have been killed, I know it's not easy. So it takes a lot of courage and commitment.
Kamiti no ya Senate niretongoragio ni Senator wa county ya Nandi Samson Cherargei ikiendaria mahutanagia na ndeto teno kwirutaniria hari gutira ati Macira maya ni makorwo magitangikirwo na njira ya naihenya. Gerifotera Kameme TV retore kwa neno gari wa Kamau.
My name is Wilfred Olal.